Minister wa ihinda wa githomo Dagitari Fred Matiang'i niathite na mbere na guthingatithia mogaruruku ministry-ini ya githomo rita riri akihamurithia kuhingwo kwa University ya Presbyterian iria rugamiriro ni kanitha wa PCEA.
The game has changed.
Itua riri riumanite na mendekithia ma kamiti ya kuramata githomo kia university maria monanitie thukuru ucio ndukinyaniirie ikiro iria igathikitwo kiwatho na ciagiriire guthingatwo mbere ya kuheo marua ma gwitikirio guthomithia. Kuringana na ripoti ya kamiti yo, thukuru uyu ndukoretwo kihota kuriha aruti a wira mushara wa muigana wa miaka 2 kuma mwaka wa 2012 kuriha magoti ma thirikari kuma mwaka wa 2015 na ndiri na arutani a kuigana na amwe ao matire na maratathi metikirikite ma guthomithia.
If you cannot pay your lecturers, for example, if you cannot pay some of your basic bills, why should we wait because we can see where you are headed?
Thukuru uyu wa university wambiriirie mwaka wa 2008 thutha wa kuheo marua ma ihinda mweri wa kanana mwaka wa 2007 na kwa ihinda ria mwaka wa 2017 na 2018 ni roete arutwo 1,030 a gikiro kia digiri makiringithanio na arutani 89 aria mari thukuru-ini ucio. Githomo gia gikiro kia university ni gikoretwo gikimurikwo thutha wa kwirikana amwe a arutwo aria mathiete ma university matire na uhoti wa kuruta mawira maria mathomeire ona kanangi matiakinyaniirie ikiro cia kuingira university. Kuringana na arutwo aria twaraniirie nao ni maugire ati matikoretwo magithomithio kwa ihinda iraya na mageko wa cukuru ucio wahota gukorwo uri na thina.
We have no playing ground. We want to ban our farts. No quality education. Lecturers are not attending classes. What's the problem?
We are risking. This is our life. We have stayed here for 2 years. We second years. And we didn't choose the school. We were posted here by the government.
I now call upon the Dr. Fred Matiang'i to come out to address us as comrades because we are suffering in this university. We are paid for fee and we are supposed to be attending the classes, but we are not getting those services that we deserve.